This shampoo, that shampoo, this spray. Oh my gosh, so many things. I don't know where to start. Are you facing a situation like this, like that, like this? If so, don't skip this video. My hair used to be very weak and easy to break like this. I had a lot of gray spots on both sides and it made me lose my confidence. I have tried many products to increase hair growth, reduce breakage, but the results were not very satisfying. Until I found out about this Hisako herbal hair growth and hair loss reduction product, everything changed completely. With only a small pill, but it contains extremely miraculous things. Ingredients combined with vitamin B5, B3, B12, vitamin A and E will nourish hair ends from deep inside, and it will reduce breakage. It will make your hair strong and lush again. Don't hesitate any longer. Buy and try this wonderful product right now.